Stop, stop, stop. It's not that kind of video. Our video for today is what tool brand should I buy? I want to make sure that I get the best bang for my buck. What's the best brand? Which one should I get? Right? So you walk in the Home Depot and you get to see all of these really cool tool specials. All of these really cool brand of tools. You see a lot of guys making videos in regards to which is the best tool for them, especially if they're professionals. So, kind of gets you confused on what to choose, how much to pay, what are you going to do? I mean, all of these really cool tools come in great looking designer packages. They're all about the same price, maybe 30 to 50 bucks difference. Which one should I choose? I mean, should I choose brushed, brushless, heavy duty, light duty, contractor grade, DIY grade? What do I do? 12 volt, 18 volt, 20 volt, 24 volt. Wow! High amp battery, low amp battery, battery pack. I mean, it gets confusing. And you don't even really know what to do, especially when all the brands that they carry at the big box stores are actually quality brands. You start looking up online and you start watching all of the tool videos and all of these really cool tool testings going on. I mean, personally, I can look on a website. I can actually go to the store. But the really cool part for me is actually seeing the tools in action, actually seeing somebody using it, actually seeing somebody cut, put together, drill, just basically using that tool, maybe even looking at another tool that you were thinking about. I mean, it's a hard choice. So that's when YouTube comes in and all of these really cool tool channels. I mean, I really got to say thank you to all of these guys because they take the time to show you how the tool works. They take the time to actually compare them to other comparable brand tools. They tell you if it's going to be something that's going to be heavy duty, light duty, what type of batteries to use. I mean, definitely YouTube, especially when you're making a choice in regards to spending your hard-earned money on tools. It's great, really awesome. I mean, I really love it, and hats off to all of these guys who have the tool channels. My respect to you guys. So let me tell you what I personally did. I subscribed to a bunch of YouTube tool channels, started looking at those tool contests, Makita versus DeWalt versus Milwaukee, and so forth. What's the best accessories? What's the most recommended battery pack? Obviously, if you should go for the contractor grade high-end tools, which ones are going to last you a long time? And it really helps. I mean, it personally helped me make the most intelligent choice. And I'm going to tell you, I mean, I went for Milwaukee in regards to what I personally need to do. And I don't consider myself a weekend warrior or a decade warrior or hardcore DIY. I actually work around my house. I'm rebuilding a house that I inherited in Tijuana, Mexico. And, I use tools every day or, 4 or 5 times a week, not for a living, but actually to make my life in the repair job that I'm doing easier. I also learned that you gotta make sure that the tool that you purchase has a warranty on it, not just buy it off of eBay or buy it off of Amazon because you're gonna save a couple of bucks. I mean, literally just go to the big box store, make sure that if it breaks down, you can actually take it back. They'll either fix it or give you a new one. Obviously, always keep your receipts. Definitely, you also gotta take into consideration if you're gonna need any hand tools that actually complement your power tools as well. Out of my personal experience, Milwaukee makes the best contractor quality warranty tools in the market, also the most powerful. DeWalt makes awesome saws. I actually own a circular saw and a miter saw, and I'm going for the DeWalt table saw. DeWalt also makes great impact driver accessories. I personally believe they even work better than the Milwaukee ones. Makita makes great sanders. It also makes great angle grinders. They also make great sawzalls, and they also make great circular saws. So obviously, I believe that each company has something good to offer, especially in regards to tools that you want to keep for a long time. Definitely go to Home Depot, check out the warranties, check out the pricing. I mean, you can go anywhere from a Ryobi all the way up to a Milwaukee, and you're not going to go wrong. It all just depends on what you need it for, how long you need it for, and how much you want to spend. Definitely the brands that I highlighted here today are the better brands. That's all, folks, and hook it up. Please like, share, and subscribe.